All right, everybody, welcome to Option Trades today on November 11th. What are we going to look to trade today? I'm not taking a look at the market that's all at all-time highs or close enough to them. I'm taking a look at Bitcoin. Let's take a look at that. Bitcoin trading down to around 103,455 on the low. As you can see here, Bitcoin's been going significantly lower. Volatility is upticking in there. So what am I going to look to trade? Well, one of the more liquid products, although it's not as liquid as I would like, is Coinbase. You can see Coinbase here following the market lower in Bitcoin, down $5.55 right now. I'm going to look to do a diagonal trade in coin. Let me explain to you what that is. First of all, you have to have a directional bias. My directional bias, being contrarian, is to the upside. So I'm going to look to buy a call that's closer to the money in January. And if we look at January volatility, 67, just under 66.9, and look at December volatility, 69.7, just about 70. So I'm buying 67 volatility. I'm selling 70 vol in December. 3 vol differential. I like that number, meaning I like this number to be higher, the one that I'm selling to be higher than the one that I'm buying. I would not want to do this if it was reversed. Like, I would not want to be putting on a Dees Nove spread right now, although it is exactly the same, would be okay. I would prefer to do where I'm selling volatility that's higher and buying volatility that's lower. Matter of fact, if you look across the board here, it's about as low a volatility as you're going to find across the board right now in January. So I look like I'm buying volatility that's going to stay bid. So what am I looking to do? I'm going to buy the January 320 call, not at the money, but close enough with the stock at 313. And I'm going to sell the December, it's going to be a slow-moving trade, sell the December 340. Now, look at this. The markets are a little bit wide here. I got filled at $15.30 on my trade. You can see here that the markets are wide. $14.75 is the natural bid. $16.35 is a natural offer. I got filled when the stock, well, let's take a look at where I got filled, and I can tell you exactly where it is. If you go to the follow page, just by clicking on those little heads there, you'll go to the follow page, you go under the bats, and you'll see here in coin, and I will change this so it says option trades today. I did this when the stock was, let's close it up and I'll let you know. The stock was 312, just under 312. It's just over 312. So it's moved about 90 cents. No rush on this type of trade. You can get filled at the same price if the stock goes under around 312. I'm looking at this because it has 13 long deltas. That's what I want. I'm bullish. I want to have long delta, at least on the setup. There's no probability of profit because we can't tell you what volatility is going to do in the future. There is a positive $7 in theta decay, and my buying power is obviously whatever I paid for it. I paid $15.30, so my buying power is going to be $1,530. It's right now picking up the mid price, so it says $15.47 and change. The most important thing to realize here: defined risk trade. I can't lose any more than $1,500. I have 13 long deltas, all things being equal. If the stock goes up by about $1, I should make $13. Stock goes up $10, I should make $130. That's basically the way it works. A little bit less than that because volatility is going to change, time's going to go by. Markets are wide in here, so you want to go in at your price. You can see here how it oscillates around on mid-price. I would go in below mid-price. I would not chase this. Here you go. You see just sort of it's 15, 15.30. So this mid-price is a good mid-price of 15.30 with the stock under 312 because that's where I got filled. The most important thing that you want to hear here is you want to be bullish on coin. I'm playing the contrarian role here. Bullish on Bitcoin itself, playing a contrarian role there. And the setup works because the vol differential, you have higher vol that you're selling, lower vol than you're buying, and you want the stock to go higher. And cheap way to control 13 shares of coin. What would I do if this goes against me? Well, I'd buy back my Dees call and I would sell probably a Jan call and put myself into a wide call spread. Something like I would be already long the 320s. I might sell the 350s or the 360s. Let's just say at that time I'm selling for $4 or $5, and I'd be in this spread, long it for $10 if my assumption hasn't changed in coin that I want to be long. A lot of things you can do in here. My profit target, probably $1.02 or $1.03, depending on how quickly it happens. But you know how quickly you can move your account? You can move your account real quickly. Move it to Tastytrade, the #1 brokerage firm in the galaxy. And plus, we keep all of this content for you free into perpetuity.